What if fire was cold? Imagine lighting a candle, and instead of warmth, you feel the chill of winter. What if you held an ice cube, and instead of a cool sensation, it burned your hand? This isn't just a strange idea, it's a complete reversal of the laws of physics. Your cozy fireplace would suddenly freeze your home, turning your living room into an icebox. The ice cubes in your drink? They'd melt right through the table, leaving a smoldering hole. Holding one would be like grabbing a hot coal. Everything we understand about hot and cold would be turned on its head. So, how would this even be possible? It all comes down to molecules. Fire feels hot because its molecules are moving incredibly fast, releasing a ton of energy. Ice feels cold because its molecules are slow and absorb energy. If we swapped them, if fire absorbed energy and ice released it, every rule of thermodynamics would collapse. The consequences would be catastrophic. Our world would be unrecognizable. Volcanoes would erupt with blue, freezing lava, covering entire continents in a layer of frost. A snowstorm wouldn't just be chilly, it would boil the oceans. Cooking would be a bizarre process. Instead of a stove, you'd use a block of ice to fry an egg, and you'd use a campfire to freeze water into solid blocks for your cold drinks. But humans are resilient. We would find a way to adapt. Scientists would race to develop heat gloves just to safely handle ice. We'd learn to harness this cold fire as a revolutionary new power source, a clean energy that cools instead of heats. Cities might even be lined with frozen fires to combat the sweltering heat. Yet, the simple act of touching ice would become deadly. It makes you think, doesn't it? We see heat and cold as complete opposites, but maybe that's just because it's what we're used to. What if the line between them is more fragile than we believe? Sometimes, all it takes is flipping one fundamental rule, and the entire world becomes unrecognizable. If you enjoyed this journey into a strange new reality, be sure to like and subscribe for more mind-bending science. Thanks for watching, or